Hi! Want to make it look like you paid big bucks for a professional designer to build your website? Image buttons are a fun way to take your site to the next level. Once you know how they work, you can come up with countless creative ways to use them on your site. Here are 3 of our favorites. Spice up your staff page with image buttons. You can show 2 pictures of each staff member, a serious one and a fun one. You can also use image buttons to showcase a product you sell from more than one angle. When customers mouse over the image of an item, they will see it from another view or understand how to use it. Finally, it can be fun to have a picture change from black and white to color when a mouse hovers over it. This adds a neat, dynamic effect. You can use the image editor to create a black and white filter for your image, or for any image from the free Wix image library. Creating the filter will save a copy of the new image in addition to the original. Then you can use either version anywhere on your site. There are dozens of more ways to use image buttons, but we'll let you play around and figure them out.